In this video clip, we learn variation partition in one-way ANOVA. The total variation equals among group variation plus within group variation for the data in a one-way ANOVA. Specifically, we have SST, total variation, the aggregate depression of the individual data values around the overall or grand mean of all factor levels. The among group variation, SSA, is the depression between the factor sample means. The within group variation, SSW, is the depression that exists among the data values within the particular factor levels. So for SST, we have the difference from each individual value xij of the grand mean of all data values. Then we take the square and we make the sum over all xij. So we can see from here, we have each individual value, subtract the grand mean, taking square, then we add them all together to obtain SST. Next, SSA, here we find the sample mean from group J minus the grand mean. Again, taking square and multiplying the sample size from group J, and we sum over all the groups. So here we have the difference from each sample group mean minus the grand mean, taking square, then multiplying the sample size of the group, and we add all them together, obtain SSA. So visually we can see here we have variation due to differences among groups as captured in SSA. Next, SSW, here we have each individual value minus the sample mean from each group J, taking square, we add them all together over all values in group J, then we add all together over all the groups for all the C groups. So visually we find each individual value minus the group mean, taking square, and we add all such square difference together, obtaining within group variation. And visually we see SSW summarizes the variation within each group and then adding over all groups.